So that you can get to the movement a little easier, it might be better to remove the bell. There's a nut on top of the bell post. It will come off. So now we're going to oil the movement. The movement consists of two brass plates. In between the brass plates are several gears. These gears have a brass wheel and a steel arbor and pinion. The arbor has a polished end to it called a pivot, and the pivot sits between the plates and forms the bearing between the brass plate and the steel pivot. We can see those pivots at the end of the plates here on what they call the oil sinks. Too much oil is a bad thing. This is because the oil is held in position with surface tension. If there's too much oil there, surface tension would be broken and the oil would run down the plate. When it runs down the plate, 100% of the oil will come out of the bearing. So here's the back plate, and here's the ends of the pivots sticking through the plate. At the end of the pivot there's a countersunk part called an oil sink. It's in these oil sinks that we're going to place one drop of oil. So this would be the process of oiling one oil sink. There, that's one pivot point completely oiled. We're going to continue to oil every one, including the hammer. We will do the same on the front plate. Except on the front plate, it's very difficult to get to the center wheel, the minute arbor, so you can get that from the inside. Place one drop of oil on the anchor escapement and either pallet of the anchor escapement. Other oiling places you should remember are the posts, and don't forget to oil the pulleys. So that's the clock oiled.